Thanks to their evolutionary origin, group processes are useful and functional. But under certain circumstances, they can become negative or even destructive. Incorrect indication of clients who do not fit the group task or cannot handle the group task or are unsuitable for group therapy at all is one of the causes. But too weak or too dominant leadership of the group therapist can also create conditions for negative processes. And not to forget, a weak or vague task organization sometimes paves the way for non-functional processes. A negative culture can also arise in the group, usually a culture of avoidance of the therapy task. It is not my intention to condemn negative group processes. They are part of it. They occur regularly and in many cases can serve as therapeutic material. After all, clients are in the group because of their negative thoughts, feelings and behavioral patterns. However, if negative processes become too strong, they hinder the group therapy to such an extent that the group therapist has to limit them. Think of an extreme fight-flight group, an extreme scapegoat situation, or a group that laughs everything off. Details about this are throughout the whole book. Because negative processes can have such an impact, I pay attention to them at many times. If disruptive group processes take place, you can generally use this step-by-step intervention ladder as a tool. The first step is ignoring mild negative process behavior and rewarding positive process behavior with attention. The second step is limiting and structuring repetitive negative processes by inhibiting the group member or group members and pointing out the attention to positive process behavior in the group. The third step, in case of a persistent recurrent negative process behavior, stop the group task, discuss the negative process behavior of the group member or the group members or the entire group with a meta-conversation and investigate and analyze the reasons for the negative process behavior and try to change it. And the fourth step, if the negative process behavior turns out to be therapeutically unanalyzable and not changeable and continues and becomes very destructive for all involved, then a radical organizational intervention is needed, namely stopping the group therapy for the group member or the group members, or if the whole group possesses an incorrectable destructive negative culture, dissolve the group.